Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the new Wyze products. Now these are the Wyze Led Strip and the Led Strip Pro. Links are in the description if you decide to purchase. I'll have the pricing up on the screen. As of right now, they aren't really released. Wyze sent them out to me to make a video on. This will be my honest opinion no matter what, because I would like to help improve in case these need to be improved. I've done several LED strips in the past. We have a normal RGB and an rgbic. Both of these have music mode and smart assistants. Let's just take a look at the box. So you have some adhesive clips, power adapter, 2 alcohol prep pads, quick start guide. Wyze app is required for this, and it's called Wyze. It works with the Google and Amazon Assistant, and it works with IFTTT. I have no clue what that is. For this one, it's one solid color, and then right here you have about 3 hues of white, and on the right side of the box, just have some more information. So for the normal ones, you have music sync, lighting effects, 16 million different colors, sun match, group devices, set timers. You can cut these, vacation mode, sleep routine, and it works with the Wyze app. For the Pro model, you have a bit more features. So this one, sync music, advanced lighting, 16 million different colors, tunable white, group devices together, set timers, cuttable, vacation modes, sun match, works with the Wyze app. You have sleep timers and multiple color options. Now both of these are 16.4 feet. They're both 12 volts. The normal one is 18 watts, the Pro is 24 watts. Both are 2.4 gigahertz compatible with Bluetooth, and they're about the same temperature when they are on. Without further ado, let's just get straight into it. First, we're gonna take a look at the regular strip. Nice. So we have a quick start guide. I like the font on this. Many different information about here, how to do a 90-degree angle. You can cut these at certain points, how to use in the app, and then some regulatory information. And then right here, it looks like it's all categorized. So right here, you have one compartment. So you got some, oh, they are made out of some clear, so you won't really see these on the wall, which is nice. Looks like you do have your control box as well. It does have a 3M adhesive on the back, so you can clean the surface and stick it on almost any surface. And then this compartment right here, you have your AC adapter. So it's fairly big, 2 inches tall, about ½ an inch thick. Yeah, that's that. And then here you have the strips themselves. Pretty nice. These are the strips. These are the non-gel coating. Those are the cutting indicators. They do have a little logo on it as well. Let's get into the Pro model now. All right. So same thing, got a quick start guide on top, got a compartment here. I like the layout for the packaging. So right here, same thing, you have a control box. This is a pairing button. This is UL certified, I forgot to mention. And then right here, you also have some 3M clips. Next, you have your power adapter. I'm assuming the same thing. Yep, same thing. And then underneath that, you have your LED strip. Now this one's a bigger reel because it has a gel coating. All right, so here it is. This is the gel coating. So this is what the beads look like. They have the chip in there for rgbic. It shows you the direction on where they're going. So for better setup, I guess you can do. So that's what that looks like. These are also cuttable, like I mentioned in the beginning, which is really nice because most rgbic isn't cuttable. I know Govee is hit or miss with that, but this one is cuttable, so that's really nice. So this is the difference between both of them. The one on the left is the normal one. The one on the right is the Pro model, and they do have the actual indicators there as well in case you do get confused. So they're a little bit different. As far as the outside, they're almost the same, but the chips on the inside are different. The difference between the power adapters is 2000 milliamp. This one's a 1500 milliamp. Yep. The clips are exact same thickness and everything, so it should be good. So very simple to set them up. Like I said, they're dummy proof. Just go ahead and hook up the AC, match up the little circle part, and you're done. That's that simple. Let's go ahead and plug this into power now. So one thing I already don't like, the power adapters. So you have more room on your outlets instead of taking up more room. These ones might take up some room on your outlets, so just keep that in mind. You can already easily tell which one's brighter than the other one. The Pro model is already brighter, and it's in pairing mode, which means it'll be flashing blue. So don't keep them reeled up, obviously, after showing it for demonstration. But you can see the color differences. They look really nice. The one on the right is obviously brighter, does look better. So if you want to put it back into pairing mode, there is a pairing button specifically on the right side of both control panels. Just hold that for about 7 seconds or until it starts flashing blue again. There we go, and it'll go into pairing mode again. As you can see, the LED indicator right here is flashing as well. So that's how you know both of them are in pairing mode. So this is the difference you can see. They're both doing a little breathe. So this is the app you're gonna want to get, Wyze. All right, so we got the Wyze app here, as you can see. We're gonna go and add a device. We're gonna go ahead and do power and lighting. We're gonna set up the light strip first, the setup one. So it'll show you how to do an installation. So if you need help, I'm not going to go through that on the app, but it is there in case you need it. It'll allow your location, turn on Bluetooth. It will ask for your Wi-Fi here. I'm going to say my password. So it said it found both of them, so I can set up both of them right now. Looks like the Pro had a issue. Let's try that again. So it says name your lights. I'm just going to do regular. You can choose an icon there as well, and then it'll give you a badge. It's going to search for it. I'm going to go ahead and put it into pairing mode. There we go. Put it into pairing mode. It pops up right here. Connect that. There we go. We are connected. And then we'll just name this Led Strip Pro. So now we got both of them. They should both work. It looks like the Pro. There we go. So for the Pro one, you do have multiple scenes you can do. So if you want a gaming scene, it'll change it to a purple. Movie, it'll do this brightness and all that just right off the bat, which is really cool. You have color temperatures, so if you want a night light, cozy, bright, something like that. You do have music mode, photosensitive warning. It does that too. And it does have the microphone right here, so any sound. And then you can also change the sensitivity, so if you want it higher, more sensitive, which I like to put it on, or the lowest. And then you can do subsection. So the difference between this one and the normal one is that the normal one can't do this. This one has multiple segments. You guys know about this on my channel. I've showed it off many times. Then a red, then a green, then a blue. You can change these, or you can do auto color. You can change the brightness if you wanted to. This is 100%. That's what that looks like. Subsection, or you could do the whole thing as one solid color. You could do multiple colors as well. Pretty cool. Not as customizational as Govi, but pretty nice. And then same thing for the normal ones, except it's just one solid color, as you can see. One solid color, just a breathing effect here. You have leap as well, so it'll just go pretty quick on how you talk. I actually kind of like that one. The music mode on this one is actually really good. I'm surprised. So leap is nice. Check out flicker. Flicker's all right. If we do leap, I actually kind of like leap a lot. It's pretty cool. Shadow, pretty nice as well. Kind of dims in and out. That's really cool. And you can also group these, which is nice. So you can have both of these light strips basically synced up at a time. So let's just name this Wyze. And then we can control both of them, I'm assuming. Click both of them. You can change them both at the same time. As you can see, now both of them are at blue. Both of them are at red. The animation's really, really slow though. I hope they'll fix this in the future. But then you also have different modes. So this is the gaming mode on both of them. Music mode, not too sure both of them will go on. Okay, they are. Nice. Oh, you have a marquee effect. Oh. Okay, that's a nice. You see that? That's actually really cool. That's like a chasing. You can do straight, gathered. That's nice. Disperse. So you can have it. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. Color focus. Whoa. Wow. That's insane. You have water, which is like a droplet. And the louder you get, it will basically do a ripple effect. So if it was like super loud, it would go all the way to the end. And then we also have a sea wave, which is kind of similar. Pretty nice. Shooting star. It's a nice ripple effect as well, similar to it. And then you have starlight here. It'll twinkle in different areas. It's really cool as well. So now they're grouped up, but I can ungroup them if I wanted to, or I could change both of them. It's a bit of the difference. The beads on both of these are really good. However, the ones on the left, which are the Pro ones, are way brighter, way more solid. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So you go to browse skills, and then we're gonna search up Wyze. You're gonna go to the app, enable to use. You're gonna have to sign into your Wyze account. And we successfully connected. Now from here, discover devices. Make sure both of your devices are turned on and connected to power to be able to set them up. All right, both of them are connected now. And then we can go ahead and set both of them up. Put this in gaming setup. Let's add it to group, and done. So now, if we view this, we have it right here, Led Strip Pro. So now if I ask my assistant, it'll turn it on and off, and I'll show you right now. Alrighty, so as you can see, the lights are under, I mounted them underneath my couch. I wasn't going to do that at first, but I just decided to in the long run. I have it on purple, and it looks really good. I didn't mount the control box because I didn't feel like it. It doesn't really need to be mounted since it's kind of hidden away in that corner, but this is what it looks like. If you want a more visual representation of more of the modes, I'll do a video in the future, but we're just going to go ahead and cut them. And it was perfectly aligned. I only lost about 2-3 feet probably, but it was a really good measurement on how I wanted it to be. I didn't want to be all the way around the couch, only the center, like the frontal areas. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.